जय श्रीमन्नारायण. Kishkindhakanda. Not only that, on this earth, all the living beings, not only living beings, all the entities are going beyond their capacity to support Ramachandra Swami, to please Ramachandra Swami. Taking all of them as an inspiration, let us also give up our lives just for Sri Ramachandra Swami. Oh Vanaras, Jatayu is such a great Dharmatma. He did so much for Ramachandra Swami. He gave up his own life for Sri Ramachandra Swami. Oh Vanaras, we also did not care our lives. We searched for Sitamma everywhere. Now we are tired, but we could not see Sitamma. Oh Vanaras, Jatayu is an example. He has no fear. He did not get scared of Ravana, but he fought and finally he gave up his life and gatascha paramam gatim. Now Jatayu is in eternal bliss. Oh Vanaras, if we look back, just Dasharatha Maharaju giving 2 boons to Kaikeyi brought all these consequences. Just because of that 2 boons, Sita Ramachandra Swami ended up coming to forest. And Rakshasa Vadha in Janasthanam, Sita Apaharanam, Vali Mruti, all these things are the consequences of Dasharatha Maharaju giving 2 boons to Kaikeyi. Like this, Angada talking to all the Vanaras including Hanuma. When Angada speaking loudly, all these words were heard by Sampati. Angada, when he spoke to all those Vanaras, all those words heard by Sampati. Now Sampati loudly asking like this, saying like this, I like my brother Jatayu a lot. He is my pranam. Who said that my brother Jatayu is died? Kadhamasit janasthane yuddham rakshasagrudrayoho. Oh my dear Vanaras, how did even Ravana and Jatayu fought each other in Janasthanam? How did that? Why did that happen? It has been so long that I even heard my brother's name. My brother is very nice one and he is very strong. I feel so happy to hear my brother's name. Oh my dear Vanaras, please let me know how did my brother got killed and how did my brother got friendship with Dasharatha Maharaju, who is the father of Rama, who does favors to each and every entity and makes every entity happy. Oh my dear Vanaras, because of sun rays, my wings burnt out. That is why I cannot come to you. You please come and take me to you. Like that, when Sampati said, Vanaras could not believe Sampati immediately. But Angada felt and all Vanaras felt that anyway we are resolved to do suicide. So let this Grudram Sampati eat all of us away so that our prayopavesam, our plan of committing suicide become easy. While meditating upon Sri Sita Ramachandra Swami, let us sing the glory of Sri Sita Ramachandra Swami. Rama Rama Dasharatha Rama 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 Dasharatha Rama He He Raja Rama He He Raja Rama He He Sita Rama हे हे सीतारामा. Jai Srimanarayana. A special request to all devotees. In all things in our life, we want immediate and effective results. To achieve this, let us spend 1 minute daily and read Narayanastram. In order to obtain Narayanastram, go to Narayanastram website, which is www.narayanastram.org, and provide your name and email in the registration. You will receive a Narayanastram PDF to the email you provided. In the PDF, there is a Ramayana sloka, a Gita sloka, and a Vishnu Namam. The three of these put together is called Narayanastram. Everyone receives a different combination of these slokas. When everyone reads to their Narayanastram daily, along with 24,000 devotees, one round of Sampurna Ramayana Parayana, 33 rounds of Srimad Bhagavad Gita Parayana, 24 rounds of Sri Vishnu Sahasranama Stotra Parayana is completed every day. This is such a remarkable and extraordinary outcome that comes out of doing this every single day. That's why you and your family members immediately go and obtain your Narayanastram. Jai Srimanarayana. As an essence of entire Bhagavad Gita in 18th chapter from 65th to 69th sloka, Sri Krishna Paramatma strongly recommending all of us to do 8 things. Krishna Paramatma saying that if we do those 8 things, we will become His most beloved devotees, and then He will liberate all of us from all kind of sins. That is why every day let us respond back to Sri Krishna Paramatma like this. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on thinking about you. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall become your devotee. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on performing all my activities as your service. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on remembering the fact that I am your belonging, and I shall keep doing namaskaram to you. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall surrender to you alone unconditionally. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall not grieve anymore. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on remembering your teachings every day by reading at least one Gita sloka. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on spreading Srimad Bhagavad Gita among all the devotees. O Sriman Narayana, I shall do as you say. I shall behave as you like. I shall keep on working for you. Karishye vachanam tava. Sarvam Shri Krishnarpanamastu. Jai Sriman Narayana.